Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase or Q&A where is someone there, yes or no? 有在吗？
有在吗？
有在吗？在。
有。
That means yes or 不在。
冇。
No, not there. 好，有的时候是面对面要去找人啦，但有时候可能只是在电话上就会这样子问了嘛 ，right？、我们把这样子的状况呢教给大家。So maybe I'm calling on the phone and I want to ask if Grandpa and Grandma is there. 阿公有在吗？或阿婆有在吗？
阿公有在嗎？
阿公有在嗎？
阿婆有在嗎？
阿婆有在嗎 ？OK？
那還有講阿公、阿婆。
阿婆要 po 什麼文到 Facebook 上面？阿婆 po 上去吧。
po 阿婆漂亮的照片。
对，po 阿婆漂亮的照片。That's a good one. 阿婆 sounds like I'm posting something, but that's a different dialect of saying grandma and grandpa. Okay. 那答案可能是不在怎么了 ？No, he or she is not here. What do you need?
冇在，用板係冇。
冇在，用板黑冇，用板黑冇就是怎么了？用板黑冇 What do you want? What's wrong? What do you need? Okay? And my answer is because I want to visit them on Saturday. 我可能周末礼拜六想要回去嘛，对不对？要跟他们讲一下，我星期六要回去。
禮拜六愛轉去。
禮拜六愛轉去 OK? 禮拜六就是禮拜六，愛
轉去。
轉去就是要回去。轉去 that means going back. Or maybe, unfortunately, I have to do overtime on the weekend and I want to tell them 我要上班，不回去看他了。I have work to do, I can't go back.
我愛上班。
我愛上班。上班 that means work.
唔轉去。
唔轉去，我們剛剛轉去就是回去嘛，哈。
唔轉去就是不回去。
唔轉去就是不回去了。
看見耶。
看見耶。
就看他了。
看他 OK. So I'm not going back to go see him or her. 或者我只是想要在電話上只是說我好想他們哦。I just want to say I miss them so much.
我當上記得。
我當上記得。Let's review this question. It is 阿公阿婆有在嗎？
阿公有在嗎？
阿公有在嗎 or 阿婆有在嗎？Okay, that means grandpa, grandma is he or she there. 不在怎麼了？
冇在，用板係冇。
冇在，用板係冇。Again, that means no, he or she is not here. What do you need? And don't forget, this whole month is about 有在嗎？
有在嗎？
有在嗎 Someone there? 在。You, that's 在 yes. 冇不在 not there. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.